Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Botim card in 2026. Now, in order to activate your Botim card, you will need to first of all come inside your Botim application on your phone. Now, over here, simply sign in into your account if you haven't already. Now, in the bottom of it, you are going to see the money section. So you just have to tap on the money section. Afterwards, you are going to see the option of activate your account. So in order to do the activation, you will need to first of all complete your Emirates ID verification, your facial recognition and the OTP confirmation. So this security step is required before the card can be fully activated. Now you just have to tap on your physical card which will be linked to your bank account, and if your card already arrived, Botim may ask you for proxy numbers for last card digits and the OTP verifications depending on your setup process. After doing so, you just have to simply set your card pin and confirm the existing one. The pin will be used for the ATM withdrawals, for store payments and the card verifications. After the verification finishes, the card status should change to active and it will be shown over here inside your money section. So that's how you can basically do it. Thank you.